Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and now you can swipe left to scroll to the second page, and on this page you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Looks like this, like the moon icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark, and the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color. And once you're done, you can swipe up on the screen to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel, scroll through the pages, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on it to disable the mode. You can tell that the mode is disabled by the icon going back to the gray color, and then you can swipe up on the screen to go back to watch face. You can also turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode through the settings. So you can press the upper button to open the menu, then find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the D&D option. Once you find it, tap on it, and here if you want to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, tap on the whole day D&D, and now it's enabled. And if you want to disable it, tap on it again to disable it. But you can also turn on the schedule for it. So basically it will turn on at certain time and turn off at certain time automatically. To do it, tap on the period D&D, and then tap on start time. Set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on by swiping up and down on the hours and minutes. Then set the end time, and once you're done, your Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. For example, for me it will be turning on at 11:30 p.m. and turning off at 9 a.m. And of course, if you want to disable this, tap on the period D&D again to uncheck it. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button, or rather not crown button but upper button, to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.